Before installing PHP Composer in your Windows 10 or Windows 11, you need to install PHP first. So search for PHP, download, and then go to PHP website. We will install current stable version. So click on Windows download and always select thread safe version. So click on zip and download this 30 MB software. So our file is downloaded. So go to download folder and extract all these. Extract all these. I'll just name it from PHP 8.3.11, only the version name, and extract. Okay. Just copy the extracted file and then go to your C drive from program files and then right click and then paste and continue because I need the administrator approval. Click on the PHP folder and copy the link of the path. And then right now search for environment variable. It will search for edit the system environment variable and click on that. Click on environment variables and then from there find the path, double click on it and then new and paste your path, then OK, click on OK and then finally OK. So now search for cmd and write php, sorry, dash dash version. Now we have PHP latest version. Search for composer and go to composer.org, getcomposer.org, and click on download. We will download composer setup.exe file for the Windows. Our file is downloaded. So open the folder and then double click on it. Install for all users. Click yes. Click next. And then this is a PHP file, exe file. Composer automatically detected. Where he found we already uh, paste the PHP file in the program files folder and then PHP and then here the php.exe. This is the um, file we automatically detected. Okay, it's automatically detected. Okay, now next and then next install. The composer is downloading and install. Okay, click on next, then finish and write composer. Then our composer is downloaded.